Siphinde sinibingelele kwikhaya TV2. Wena-ke ungaka-subscribe kuleli khasi, angazi ukuba ulindeni. Subscribe kuleli khasi khona uzohlezi uthola indaba njengoba zinjalo. I-Team of Research Data and Capturing Department iyasitshela ukuthi sihambe kangakanani nokubheka ukuthi ngabe imiphumela ekhishwe u-IEC iyiqiniso ngempela na. Lapho ibika khona ikwelomkhulu le-MK eThekwini. Phela kuzokhumbuleka ukuthi i-MK Party ayineme neze ngemiphumela ka-IEC okuhlanganisa namanye amaqembu awuzizweleke bezikhulumela ngokwabo kulomsindo olandelayo.
Good afternoon, everyone. Gwaza Mkhonto Gwaza, Tata MK Tata. How are you in this Monday, beautiful holiday Monday evening? We are in the headquarters of MK in Durban. That is where we are, and we thank you very much, guys, for your patience and staying along, especially after a very powerful media briefing that was given by our president, Ungamalala Umdala. And we'd like to welcome everything that he said, and it is our duty, guys, to make sure that everything that he says, as the team of the research, data and capturing department MK, we've got everything and we push to make sure with everything it is executed. So there are a few things that I want to take note. Number one, it's very, very interesting that after like last night, now IEC have decided, mind you, they have decided to raise vote, of which was requested ukuthi bangawakhuphuli noma aqalwe phansi kubalwa, and badazinkani baqhubeka ukuthi bawakhipha bawa-announce kwaze kwahlala iparliament. But now what we see this afternoon, we've seen that ukuthi sebenama-result amasha. U-ANC bawususa ku-6 million bawusa ku-12 million, i-DA bayisusa ku-4 bayisa ku-6 million, u-MK bawususa ku-2.7 bayisa ku-4 million. Why? It's because the results were rigged, and when we told them there is 9.3 million votes which are missing, now they're trying to counterpart in terms of that. And this is very, very interesting, because we know ukuthi kahle kahle babayothi kuqalwe phansi, and lento abayenzayo ukuzihunga ngentambo bezibulala bona begwaza ngokwabo. So I think that is we need to take note of. And secondly, I need to make you aware ukuthi bafowethu there are infiltrations, kunamagundana afakiwe, kunabantu nezinye inhlangano ezingenile ezilwayo ukwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi uMK uyahlakazeka ngayo yonke indlela. Kugijima imvilophi ezibrown, kwenziwa iconfusion, kuqedwa amandla. Ngibazwile abantu sebethi akusadleki akusalaleki, bethi izwe liyahamba. Likho bafethu izwe lihambayo. Uqinisekisile umdala izolo ukuthi we've got over 30% wama-political parties akhona eParliament, including u-MK, which is going to go with National Assembly and being sworn in as members, and through the other umbimbi lwezinye inhlangano which include the EFF, Al-Jamari, UDM, ATM, and other political parties, which makes about 30% wama-political parties within the parliament. Azoyilwa lempi, akuzukudlalwa bafowethu, kusesekuseni kakhulu. Akakapheli ngisho isonto, akakapheli ngisho inyanga kuvotiwe kuphuma ama-result, and ushilo wathi usazohlangana nalamanye amaqembu awu-27 kwakhiwa umhlahlandlela, the way forward, of which they're going to come back now on his personal level as the chief who's been appointed by the 27 political parties, and come and give the way forward, because kuzoba khona ama-national protest, peaceful national protest, kuzoba khona ama-shutdown, kusazoliwa impisi enkulu saqala phansi, kuthiwe bonke laba abadla imali asibazi abadla imali, kuthiwa amajele abalindile. And we have heard yesterday's from the media briefing ukuthi there is already an international court case which was warned around about March, April, ebikhuluma ngendaba kaMdala, which was ebifakwe elinye lamalunga ayimele, and wakazi locala ukuthi alwini, which is a very powerful thing, because we heard ukuthi they are looking forward to go to the international court, especially ukuthi umdala abuye abe yilunga le-member of parliament, which is very, very powerful. And other cases, esikhombisa ukuthi sesiwawinile, kwaphinde kwacaciswa nezinto ey'ningi ebeyidida from the collusion, uku-understand ukuthi the political parties adayisile KZN abesevele ethatha iy'nqumo before even afuna ukuhlangana nathi, then they were using MK as the scapegoat. But what is very, very important is to understand ukuthi there's a push ukuthi silwe. We keep on telling you, comrades, be vigilant, yehlisana umoya. Ngizwile bethi abantu abasadli, bethi abantu akusalaleki, bethi abantu bayahlekwa, khululekani kusesekuseni, kuthiwa the one who last laugh the best. Ohleke egcineni uhleka kakhulu. Njengamanje sisempini singene sazi ku-MK asibizwanga sizele. Into esizoyenza ukuzoshintsha izwe, siyazi ukuthi ngeke silivume ukuba lisuke lihambe ezandleni zethu sikhona. Sikhonela lokho ukuthi siyilwe indaba yo-MK to the T bafowethu. And there's one important thing engihlale ngisho kulaba abangazele eduze, ngihlale ngisho ukuthi there's only 3 things that the man can die for, and anything outside that, if you die for, it will be worthless. Ukufa kobuwula. Number 1, a man has to die for his family. You need to protect and fight for your family. Secondly, you need to protect and die for your king. Kwabakhonzayo bayazi banoJesu babo, kwabesintu bayazi ukuthi banamakhosi awo, njengathi nje thina singamaZulu siyazi ukuthi kukhona indlu enkulu yakwaZulu obukhosi. You need to die for your king. Abanye banoMohammed, abanye banoBuddha, abanye banobani. So as thina siphuma endlini yokukholwa, we've got our king, which is Christ, and umumzalwane, you need to die for the gospel. So that is the second part, not ukuthi iphenduke ihlala. NjengomZulu, I need to die for ubuzwe bakithi, ubukhosi bakithi bakwaZulu. So that's the second part. But the third part, you need to die for a land. Igazi kumele kwazeke ukuthi umhlaba wathathwa ngalo, and we need to fight. Noma singasho ukuthi akuphumi achitheke igazi, but we are saying ukuthi we've got a space sokulwa protest ngokuthula, sisebenzisa indlela ezisemthethweni, and siyazi futhi ukuthi kuyimanje kubhizi kubulawa amalunga ka-MK ngezathu sokuthi kufuna ukuthi sisuse impi. Over 24 asebulewe emva kokuvota, angama-leaders, amanye engama-conveners, amanye engo-like organized, ngoba kuzanywa ukuthi sisuswe ekutheni sisuse impi. Namaphoyisa atshaliwe KwaZulu Natal azosikhomba singabantu bempi. So ngisho ngithi manini-ke bafowethu, ningalwi, asibambe umoya, ithuba leli lokuthi silungise isimo, and ngiyazi ukuthi kunzima, sehlisa umoya, lelizwe lizobuya, sizolithatha. Asikhumbule ukuthi lento ingeyethu. Over and out.